Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to reset the settings on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Reset Phone. So here we've got the option Reset All Settings, so let's tap on it, confirm everything with your screen lock and tap on Reset. Be aware because you cannot undo this action, so tap on Reset if you're ready and wait a second. Your device will reset all of the settings, including, for example, the navigation type. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.